Hi everybody, welcome to my channel Rosie Cooks. Today I'm making some baked ziti. I'm starting off with a bowl and I'm adding 15 ounces of ricotta cheese. To this I'm adding 1 egg and a half a teaspoon of oregano. Now I'm going to mix this and set it to the side. Right here I have a hot skillet and I'm going to add about a tablespoon of olive oil, a quarter of an onion, and 1 garlic clove. I'm going to mix this and cook it for a couple of minutes just to soften up my onion and garlic. Now I'm going to add my ground beef. I'm going to break that up. So now that I've broken up my meat, I'm going to add half a teaspoon each of salt, pepper, and Italian seasoning. Now my beef is very lean, but if you get 80-20 and there's a lot of fat, then you might want to drain it at some point before you put the additional spices. So now I'm just going to cook this down until there's no longer any pink. So now, while my beef is cooking, I have a pot of hot water and I'm adding my ziti noodles. And I'm going to cook these according to the package direction. My ground beef is completely cooked. Now I'm going to add my pasta sauce. This is my favorite, Raos. You can use any one you want. I have 32 ounces of Raos. I'm going to cook this and mix this together. My noodles are finished cooking. I'm going to drain them. So here's my pan. I sprayed it with a non-stick cooking spray. I'm going to add half of my noodles to the bottom of the pan. Now I'm adding some sauce to the top of my noodles. Next I'm adding my ricotta. And I'm going to spread that over my mixture. Now I'm going to add some parmesan cheese. Now I've added the rest of my noodles. Now I'm adding the rest of my sauce. Now I'm adding my mozzarella cheese, along with some more parmesan. And now I'm going to top it with some parsley. So now the way this works, I'm going to cover it with aluminum foil. I sprayed the part of the aluminum foil that's going to be on the bottom. That way my cheese doesn't stick to the aluminum foil. Okay, so I'm going to cover this and I'm going to bake this in a 350-degree oven for approximately 45 minutes until all the cheese is melted. Here we go. This is the finished product. This is so tasty, you guys. With all the cheeses and the ricotta. This is baked ziti with ricotta cheese and all the cheeses. Yummy. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and I will see you next time.